Let's make cheap, easy burrito bowls. We'll start with 1 pound of ground beef in a hot cast iron skillet. Now let's add our seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Feel free to add extra heat if you prefer. You'll remove your ground beef and add your chopped onion to the hot skillet. Gather your other ingredients you'd like to have. I'll provide a recipe for my black beans below. This meal is great for serving a crowd or having guests over, as everybody gets to make their bowl the way they like. I hope you enjoy.